Mustache film. Hey, what's up guys? Happy Halloween! We are getting ready to get dressed up for Halloween. So our neighbors, they're dressing up as Mario
the
good guys.
And we're gonna dress up as the bad guys.
Yeah.
I'm Luigi. This is Wario. This is Ghost.
Mom's
the Paulina.
Pauline
Pauline or whatever.
Pauline, how do you say her name?
Say it.
And then we're gonna go try to kidnap Peach. So they have guys. Mario, Luigi,
Yoshi,
Todd,
and Toad, right?
Yeah,
Toad.
So we're gonna get dressed and we're gonna see you guys soon. Peace.
Bye. Peace.
So I just got done dressing up and let's do dressing. You guys can tell I'm Wario.
Luigi.
What are you doing with your hair? Luigi don't have hair like that. What's Mila doing? Mila, goes. Mila, what are you doing? TikToking or what?
No.
You see your scary ghost dance, Mila.
Let's go.
Mom's still dressing. We're almost done. We're gonna go walk over there in a minute and kidnap. Alright, we'll see you guys in a minute. Yeah, we're gonna go see our villains.
No, Paulina is cold.
I mean, Paulina's cold. Sorry, not Mom.
All right, we're gonna go get Peach and kidnap her, and then beat up Mario, and Luigi, and Yoshi, and the little Toad. Right,
Todd.
Ghost? Yeah. All right.
Want a kiss? Minion!
Go get the candy. Hey guys, we're almost to the Mario's palace place.
I see them. Tonight, we still
Yeah. That's what the fright.
Candy time.
A little bit right there. It's nobody get candy. No, nobody decorated.
I guess
Look, it's Toad. Look at one. Come on, Toad. Let's go.
Go get your candy, Bubba.
Very
bạn
true.
nữa nè. Tại vì nói là 6 giờ mới vừa ra đó, nãy giờ ra được khoảng 15 phút rồi.
Luigi. 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 You too. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Hi.
This is my
Hi, Yoshi. You're what?
My opposite.
Oh, no, you're opposite of you. Oh, look at this cool house. They went all out on it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese! Look over here.
Guys, I have a secret. She's emo. She's emo. She's emo.
Yeah?
Okay, it's Oreo. Noah!
Mom,
You guys stay right
how are you?
Good.
Good?
Oh, we're going this way.
You wanna?
I got married. Hello.
Who are you?
I am Ava.
Hey, oh my God. Oh, don't get so close to me. Toad. Toad.
Cut it.
Hey, Toad. How you doing, Toad? Hey guys, we just came home from the trick-or-treating. We gave half of candy away to Nancy and Natalie.
They ate our candy.
They ate your candy? I know, you got all these open wrappers.
Because there was too much candy, so then we felt nice and donated.
Yeah, and you're eating more candy. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for tonight. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Peace.